Yeah, welcome to today's tutorials. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you one of the tips in Photoshop that most of us do not know or most of us do not use. Okay? And if you are new to this channel, please do one thing for me. Click on the subscribe button, hit on the bell, then let's hear from you what you think about this channel. Your comments are very important to us. Don't forget to send us your comments, your likes, so that we can do more videos for you. Now, as you can see from here, I'm going to show you how you can delete empty layers. So I have this number of layers here. These layers, some of them are empty, some of them too are not empty. So at the end of this tutorial, we are going to see which of them is empty and which of them is not empty. Most often when a layer contains something, usually you can see it on the thumbnail. So as you can see, all these layers do not have anything. Okay, as you can see, this one is empty, this one too is empty, but there are some also in it which is not empty. Let's say this shape, definitely this is not empty. The empty ones are the layers that you can see: layer 1, layer 2. If I draw something on layer 1, see something. If I draw something like rectangle, now previously the name was layer 1, but after drawing the rectangle, the name has changed from layer 1 to rectangle 1. This means that this particular layer is not empty. So definitely, as you can see from here, although from the thumbnail is saying that this particular ellipse layer is empty, but because the name is ellipse, it is showing that there is something on this particular layer. So let me delete this one. Sorry, let me go back so that I can maintain the layer. To see what is on the ellipse, what you need to do is hold the Alt key, then click inside the thumbnail. As you can see, we have something on that particular layer. Because this one has zoomed to the maximum pixels, that's why you can see that that particular shape is a square shape, because this one is a pixel, just a pixel, but in the actual sense it is bigger than, it is not a square shape. Let me zoom out so that you understand what I'm talking about. See, the size is too small for you to recognize. So the size that you have seen right now is the pixel nature of it. Okay, and we know that pixels are square shaped. Okay, come together to produce the image or the object you will see on the screen. So let me zoom out to the normal size, and then let me transform it so that you will see that that shape is not a square. You can see I'm transforming this. Look at this. So you can see that this one is ellipse. It's not a square shape as you saw when I zoom out. Thank you. So let's go to the main topic, how we can delete the empty ones. Now that we have seen that this one is not empty, for you to delete empty ones, all that you need to do is go to File, then go to Scripts, then delete all empty layers. 3 steps: File, Script, delete all empty layers. Then you are done. That is all. So this is the very simple way you can delete all empty layers in Photoshop. Thank you for staying with me. Don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot for you. Goodbye.